Hello, today I'm in Toyota Proace. In this video I'll show you how to connect your car to Wi-Fi. In the beginning, make sure that your Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled on the smartphone and go to menu of connection and go to network connection. Refresh the list and then select Wi-Fi you are interested in. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.